they're actually quite small compared to humans. Gorillas can be easily kept as pets if they start from being infants. And even though they might look scary with their big muscles, they are surprisingly good swimmers. Here are at least 8 bizarre gorilla facts that you probably didn't know. Number 8. There are only 2 species of gorillas. Gorillas belong to the family of great apes, which also includes chimpanzees, bonobos, orangutans, and our distant cousin, the human. There are 2 extant species of gorilla, gorilla, and gorilla burunjay, which differ primarily in geographical location. Although there are only 2 existing types of gorilla, it is believed that in the past there were at least 3 different species of gorilla. The third species would have been the eastern gorilla, which is now extinct. This means that all gorillas alive today belong to one of the 2 surviving species. Gorillas belonging to the species gorilla are found in the forests of central and eastern Congo. This species is further divided into 2 subspecies, the western lowland gorilla and the cross river gorilla. Western lowland gorillas are the most common type of gorilla, and they are also the most studied. They can be found in the lowland rainforests of central and eastern Congo. They live in groups of up to 50 individuals, and their diet consists mainly of plants. But they will also eat small animals if given the chance. Cross-river gorillas are much rarer than western lowland gorillas, and they are only found in the forests along the border between Cameroon and Nigeria. They typically live in groups of up to 15 individuals, and their diet consists mainly of leaves and vines. Gorillas belonging to the species Gorilla burunjay are found in the forests of Uganda, Rwanda, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. This species is further divided into 2 subspecies, the mountain gorilla and the Bwindi gorilla. Mountain gorillas live in the dense forests of the Virunga Mountains and are highly endangered, with only about 1,000 left in the wild. They live in groups of up to 30 individuals, and their diet consists mainly of bamboo. Bonsai gorillas live in the dense forests of the Bwindi Impenetrable National Park and are also highly endangered, with only about 450 left in the wild. They live in groups of up to 30 individuals, and their diet consists mainly of fruit. 7. Silverback male gorillas mate with several females. In some cases, they have been known to mate over 60 times per night. Silverback males can breed year-round, whereas most other males can only breed when they reach sexual maturity around the age of 12 years old. Females usually give birth every 4 or 5 years and have a gestation period of 8.5 months. Once a baby gorilla is born, it will stay with its mother for up to 2 years. During this time, the baby gorilla will learn how to forage for food and how to interact with other gorillas. After 2 years, the young gorilla will leave its mother's group and join a new group where it will live for the rest of its life. 6. Gorillas mate while standing. This is unlike most primates who mate while sitting or lying down. It's not exactly clear why gorillas mate while standing, but it is thought that it may help to stabilize the female during orgasm. This is because the female gorilla's body is not designed for carrying a baby. Her pelvic floor is too weak and her spine is too curved. If she were to sit or lie down during sex, the weight of the male gorilla could cause her to collapse. Therefore, by standing up during sex, female gorilla is able to distribute the weight more evenly and avoid injury. 5. Gorillas don't build nests. Despite the fact that they are primates, gorillas do not build nests like other primates such as chimpanzees and bonobos. Instead, they sleep while standing up. When it's time to sleep, a gorilla will grab some leaves and branches and make a small platform to stand on. They will then use their hands to support themselves and their bodies and fall asleep while standing up. There are a few reasons why gorillas do not build nests. One reason is that they are too big and strong. A gorilla's hands are too big and strong to manipulate small sticks and leaves to build a nest. Additionally, a gorilla's weight could easily break a nest. Finally, gorillas live in groups of up to 50 individuals. Okay. Building a separate nest for each gorilla would take too much time and energy. As a result, gorillas simply sleep while standing up in groups. Number 4. Baby gorillas are born with blue eyes. Newborn baby gorillas are born with blue eyes, just like most human babies. However, as they grow older, their eye color changes to brown. This is because the melanin pigment that is responsible for eye color begins to develop after birth. Melanin is produced by cells called melanocytes, which are located in the iris of the eye. The amount of melanin in the iris determines the intensity of the eye color. When there is little melanin, the eye color is light, such as blue or green. When there is more melanin, the eye color is dark, such as brown or black. In the case of baby gorillas, their irises begin to produce more melanin after birth, which causes their eye color to darken over time. By the time a baby gorilla reaches adulthood, its eyes will be a deep brown color. Number 3. Gorillas are good swimmers. Gorillas are excellent swimmers, and they often take to the water to cool off from the heat or to escape from predators. When in the water, they use their arms to propel themselves forward and their legs to steer and balance. Gorillas can swim underwater for up to 10 minutes, and they are capable of swimming at speeds of up to 3 miles per hour. Their powerful muscles enable them to stay afloat easily, and their thick fur keeps them warm in cold water. In addition, their large size allows them to intimidate potential predators while in the water. Overall, gorillas are well adapted for life in and around water. No, 2 gorillas can easily be kept as pets if they start from being infants. Because of their strength and size, adult gorillas cannot be kept as pets. But if you adopt a baby gorilla, then you can keep it as a pet throughout its life. Gorillas are very intelligent animals and can be trained to perform various tasks. They are also very social creatures and need a lot of attention and interaction. If you are willing to put in the time and effort required to care for a pet gorilla, then it can be a rewarding experience. Gorillas are known to be loving and loyal companions. Gorillas are also very active animals and need plenty of space to roam and explore. If you have the space and resources to provide for a pet gorilla, then it can be a great addition to your family. No. 1. Even though gorillas have big muscles, they are scared of mice. Gorillas are primates, which means that they are more closely related to humans than they are to other animals, such as dogs and cats. Primates are known for being intelligent and curious, and gorillas are no exception. Despite their large size and strength, gorillas are easily frightened by small animals such as mice. They may be scared of mice for a variety of reasons. Mice are small and quick, which makes them difficult for predators to catch. This means that mice are often able to escape from danger by running away or hiding in small spaces. Gorillas may have learned to fear mice because they are aware of these abilities and realize that they are unable to catch them. Additionally, mice are known for carrying diseases that can be harmful to humans and other animals. While there is no evidence that gorillas are specifically afraid of contracting diseases from mice, it is possible that they have evolved to be cautious around rodents in general. Finally, mice are simply unpredictable animals whose behavior can be difficult to predict. This unpredictability may make gorillas feel uneasy and lead them to be afraid of mice. Now you know some amazing gorilla facts. Subscribe for more videos like this